Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Jurassic Park. People everywhere loved the dinosaurs, but the mighty T-Rex, Triceratops, Velociraptor, and many others had disappeared long, long ago. Then one day, a kind, wealthy man named John Hammond built a very special park on the island. He invited 3 important scientists, Alan Grant, Ellie Sadler, and Ian McClellan, for a visit. To these scientists, it looked like an ordinary island. What's so special about this place? Alan asked. Then he saw dinosaurs! A whole park full of them. Mr. Hammond explained that his own scientist had learned how to make dinosaurs, just like the ones that lived millions of years ago. Just then, Mr. Hammond's grandchildren, Lex and Tim, arrived. They couldn't wait to go into the park to see the dinosaurs. Everyone was so excited to take the tour. The first dinosaur they found was a sick Triceratops. Ellie stayed to help the poor Triceratops while the others continued with the tour. When they approached the T-Rex pen, there was a power failure. That can only mean one thing. Roar! The T-Rex could escape from his electric fence, and it did. The huge dinosaur came after them and smashed the vehicle. While Ian distracted the giant beast with the bright flare, Alan helped Lex and Tim get away. Ellie and the T-Rex warden rescued Ian from the T-Rex. The hungry dinosaur chased them and barely managed to escape. Hiss! Hiss! We need to return the power back on, and fast, Ellie said. She found the power shed and got her electricity working, but the Velociraptor found her. Meanwhile, Alan and the kids made it to the visitor center. While Alan looked for everyone else, Lex and Tim stayed in the cafeteria until 2 more Velociraptors found them. But one fierce dinosaur chased them. The small but fierce dinosaur chased the 2 kids into the kitchen. One Velociraptor darted down Lexi. Whomp! But it was just Lex's reflection in a shiny cabinet. The Velociraptor smashed right into it. The other growling Velociraptor followed Tim into the large freezer. The dinosaur slipped on the icy floor. Tim dashed out and locked the door, trapping the Velociraptor inside. Lex and Tim found Alan and Ellie in the park's electrical control room. While Lex used a computer to call for help, another snarling Velociraptor attacked. Alan thought they could escape the Velociraptor by hiding in the ceiling, but one of the crafty creatures found them. To get away, they climbed down the big bones of the Brachiosaurus skeleton in the lobby, but they had company. The last 2 Velociraptors teamed up. Now the humans were trapped. Then suddenly, the lobby shook with a thunderous roar. It was the T-Rex. The Velociraptors were no match for this mighty dinosaur. While the T-Rex and the Velociraptors fought, the scientists and the kids dashed out the door. Now that everyone was finally safe, they escaped from the island where the living dinosaurs ruled once again, just as they ruled the earth so long ago. So that's the end of the book. My opinion for this book is all dinosaur lovers will like this book. If you're a dinosaur lover, then I think you would like this. So, I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!